Have you ever wondered what the job market will look like in the next decade as AI continues to evolve? We're living in an era of rapid technological advancement, where artificial intelligence is not just a sci-fi concept, but a tangible tool transforming the world around us. From your smartphone's virtual assistant to self-driving cars, AI is increasingly becoming a part of our everyday lives. But what does this mean for our jobs, our livelihoods, and our place in the workforce? The rise of AI carries with it the potential to revolutionize the job market. As AI systems become more sophisticated, they're proving capable of performing tasks that were once thought to be exclusively human domains. These range from simple, repetitive tasks like data entry to complex ones like diagnosing diseases or writing news articles. This is leading many experts to predict that a significant number of jobs could be replaced by AI in the not-too-distant future. But before we jump to conclusions, it's important to remember that automation isn't a new phenomenon. It's been a driving force of progress for centuries, from the Industrial Revolution to the digital age. Each wave of automation has indeed displaced certain jobs, but it has also created new ones, often requiring more advanced skills. This leads us to the concept of AI-resistant jobs. These are roles that, for the time being at least, are less likely to be fully automated. These jobs typically involve tasks that require a high degree of human touch, such as emotional intelligence, creative thinking, and complex decision-making. So, as we stand on the brink of what some are calling the AI revolution, it's crucial to understand that the future of jobs isn't a simple narrative of man versus machine. It's a complex, evolving landscape, where the roles of humans and AI will continue to intertwine in ways we can't fully predict. But it's not all doom and gloom. Let's dive deeper into which jobs are most susceptible and which ones are resistant to AI. You may be surprised to learn which jobs are at the top of the most likely to be replaced list. Let's begin by understanding the characteristics of jobs that are most susceptible to automation. Jobs that involve repetitive tasks, routine activities, and predictable patterns are the first in line. Why, you ask? Well, these jobs are like a well-structured puzzle that AI can master with ease. Take manufacturing jobs, for instance. Assembly lines have been the heart and soul of the manufacturing industry since the days of Henry Ford. But today, robots programmed with artificial intelligence can perform these tasks more efficiently, with fewer errors and without the need for coffee breaks. Next up, telemarketing. We all know the drill. The phone rings, we pick up, and there's a scripted voice trying to sell us something. AI can handle this job with remarkable precision. It can make calls, follow a script, handle objections, and even learn from previous calls to improve its performance. And then there's data entry. It's a job that requires accuracy and speed, but let's face it, it can be monotonous. AI can perform these tasks faster, with less risk of human error, and it can do so 24/7. But it's not just these jobs. Even professions that require a degree of skill and training, like diagnostic imaging and healthcare, are seeing the advent of AI. Machine learning algorithms can analyze medical images, spotting patterns and abnormalities with a level of consistency that's hard for humans to match. Does this mean that these jobs will disappear overnight? Certainly not. The transition is likely to be gradual, and new roles may emerge as old ones fade, but it's clear that the wave of AI is reshaping the job market. But remember, every coin has two sides. So what about the jobs that AI can't replace? While AI is powerful, there are still areas where it falls short. Now let's delve into the realm of jobs that require a human touch, creativity, and complex decision-making. These roles are less susceptible to AI automation, and they highlight the unique strengths and capabilities that we humans bring to the table. First, let's explore the healthcare industry. While AI can help diagnose diseases or even perform basic surgeries, the role of healthcare professionals goes far beyond these technical tasks. Nurses, doctors, and therapists provide emotional support, empathy, and understanding, which are simply irreplaceable by machines. They comfort us in our most vulnerable moments, make us feel heard, and offer guidance based on their years of experience and intuition. These are things that AI, despite its computational prowess, cannot replicate. Next, let's turn our attention to the world of art and creativity. Artists, writers, musicians, and other creative professionals create works that touch our hearts, challenge our minds, and inspire us to see the world in new ways. Their creations are rooted in human experiences, emotions, and perspectives. AI might be able to generate a painting or a piece of music, but it can't truly understand or express the depth of human emotion that gives art its soul. It's the personal touch, the unique vision of the artist, that makes each piece special and irreplaceable. Now let's consider strategic business roles. These positions, such as CEOs, executives, and entrepreneurs, require a deep understanding of the business landscape, strategic foresight, and complex decision-making. They need to navigate uncertain markets, make tough calls, and inspire their teams. AI can analyze data and identify patterns, but it can't understand the nuances of human behavior, the subtleties of market dynamics, or the complexities of organizational culture. It can't envision a new business model or inspire a team to rally behind a shared vision. These are tasks that require a human touch. Lastly, let's not forget about roles in education. Teachers, professors, and education professionals play a crucial role in shaping our future generations. They don't just impart knowledge, they inspire curiosity, encourage critical thinking, and nurture a love for learning. They understand their students' unique strengths and weaknesses, and they adapt their approach to help each student thrive. AI can provide information, but it can't replace the guidance, mentorship, and personal connection that a great teacher provides. As you can see, not all jobs are created equal when it comes to AI automation. While AI is a powerful tool that can automate many tasks, there are certain roles that it simply can't replace. These jobs highlight the unique strengths and capabilities that we humans bring to the table. Our empathy, creativity, strategic foresight, and ability to connect with others on a deep, personal level. So, while we should embrace the benefits of AI, let's also celebrate and nurture the uniquely human skills that make us irreplaceable. So, how can we prepare for this AI-driven future? The key to staying relevant in an AI-driven job market is to embrace continuous learning. The world is changing at a rapid pace, and those who can keep up with the latest developments will be at an advantage. It's not just about acquiring technical skills, though they are important. It's also about developing a growth mindset, the belief that your abilities can be developed through hard work and dedication. This mindset will keep you motivated and curious, always ready to learn something new. Another strategy is upskilling. Upskilling refers to the process of learning new skills or improving existing ones to remain competitive in the job market. It's about becoming more versatile and adaptable, traits that are highly valued in today's dynamic and ever-changing work environment. But it's not all about technical skills. As we've seen, there are certain jobs that AI can't replace, jobs that require uniquely human skills. These include emotional intelligence, creativity, critical thinking, and leadership. These skills are difficult for AI to replicate, and they will continue to be in high demand in the future. So, focus on developing these skills. Remember, AI is a tool, a powerful one, but a tool nonetheless. It's there to assist us, not replace us. We control it, we guide it, and we can use it to our advantage. So, don't be afraid of AI. Instead, learn about it, understand it, and find ways to work with it. In conclusion, preparing for an AI-driven future requires a combination of continuous learning, upskilling, and focusing on uniquely human skills. It requires being adaptable, open-minded, and forward-thinking. But most importantly, it requires a positive attitude, the belief that you can grow, evolve, and thrive in this new era. The future may seem uncertain, but one thing is clear: the ability to adapt and evolve will be more important than ever. So let's get ready for the future, because it's already here. Before we wrap up, let's quickly recap what we've learned today. We've delved into the fascinating world of artificial intelligence and how it's shifting the job landscape. We've seen that a number of jobs, particularly those with repetitive tasks, like assembly line workers, cashiers, and telemarketers, are at risk of automation. Yet it's not all doom and gloom. There are plenty of roles, especially those that require empathy, creativity, and human judgment, such as therapists, artists, and strategic planners that are resistant to AI automation. Furthermore, we've highlighted strategies for future-proofing your career. Embracing lifelong learning, diversifying your skill set, and staying flexible are just a few ways to ensure you're ready for whatever the future holds. Remember, the future isn't something to fear, but something to prepare for. Thanks for watching, and here's to a future filled with exciting possibilities. Don't forget to subscribe for more insights into the future of work.